Welcome everyone. I know 2020 wasn't the best of years, however it was the year we saw the launch of two next generation consoles, being the PS5 from Sony and the Xbox Series X and Series S from Microsoft. Today we will be unboxing and setting up the perfect partner for the brand new PS5 and Xbox Series X as we unbox the brand new Philips Momentum gaming monitor. So on the front here, if we take a look at the top left, it's 27 inches or 68.6 centimeters in size, and this is always measured diagonally across the display. It's an LCD display with Ambiglow from Philips, which we've shown before on a Momentum monitor. It looks really nice and really enhances your gaming experience. It's 4K Ultra HD, and its resolution is 3840 by 2160. The model number for this monitor is 278M1R. The link will be in the description to Philips UK and also Amazon, where roughly at the moment of filming it's about £500. Underneath that it says take gaming to the next level, and we're moving into the next level of console generation, and this monitor is going to do it great and suit it well. It has an IPS wide viewing angle display, which means everyone and you can see everything from all different angles of your display. 4K ultra high definition, offers HDR, it comes with HDMI. It also offers superior DTS sound, so everything is going to sound crisp and clear thanks to DTS sound. So now let's get it unboxed. On top you will see unpacking information. Make sure to take care when you're unpacking your monitor so you don't damage yourself or your new display. So taking a look at our contents that we receive in the box, first of all is our UK 3-pin plug. And this is for connecting into our power brick here that you see at the top right hand side. Quite a large external power brick there, which is needed for this display. We have then manuals and a CD and other information there, so if you need to know any paperwork, that's there. You have a T-bar stand, and we've got our column, both in this nice grey finish, and that has a metal design to it, so it's going to be strong and sturdy. Then we have our DisplayPort to DisplayPort connection here, so if you want to use a DisplayPort, that's great. Our main one that we're going to be using is our HDMI cable here. So as you'll see there, just in the top right hand corner is the Xbox Series X, and we're going to be using that as well as the PlayStation 5. We have a HDMI cable here. So that's what we get inside the box. So now let's connect the column and stand. So here is our column. And here is our stand. So T-bar stand and column design. All that does is sit inside here. So it sits in there quite nicely. Turn around. It has rubberized feet at the bottom to protect your desk and offer more sturdybility. So use the locking nut here provided, and you can also use a screwdriver if you want to. Just make sure that's really locked in place. That's good for me. Fold that down, stand that up. You have some cable management on the back here, and we're going to get out our display now and connect up our display to the column and stand. So here is our Philips Momentum display, and as you'll notice straight away is the Ambiglow system that runs around the left, top and the right hand side, which really adds to the experience of gaming, and we'll jump into that further once we go into the review and once it's set up. So underneath here we can see our ports. So first of all we have our power, you have HDMI, you have your display port, you have your headphone jack here, you have your upstream USB, so this will connect into your device, may that be desktop, laptop, MacBook, whatever you're going to choose. Fast charging USB, normal standard USB 3, fast charging and USB as well, so all USB 3.0s. You have a joystick control stick option here for navigation and going through your menu selections. You also have a Kensington lock to lock down your monitor as well, which is great to see. Then taking our column and stand here. So this will slot in. So I recommend doing the top pins first, then the bottom ones. Clicks in. There is a release catch underneath, so slide up and that will release, nice and easy. There we go, and that's ready now to set up. So with a snap of a finger, I'm going to set it up and I'm back shortly. Just before I connect up all the cables and restrict the movement, let's have a look at the ergonomic designs. There is a couple of options here. So first of all is that you can swivel left and right. Great. You also have the option of tilting your display, so upwards and downwards. And then finally, you have the option of height adjustment as well. So its lowest point is here, and taking it up to its highest point, which is here. You can tilt up, you can swivel, and you can have it wherever you want. Also, you could move the column and stand to wherever you need it. But now let's connect it up. Welcome back. Our Philips Momentum monitor is all set up and ready to go, and it's get set ready for gaming in the next generation of console gaming, partnered with a next generation monitor for console gaming. So can't wait to test it out. So to the right hand side, I have my Xbox Series X connected into the monitor, and to the left hand side I have the Mac Mini, which I will use this monitor to edit this video and share with you very soon. So now all that's left is to show some game clips and some highlights of some games. Let's just share some further key details of the Philips Momentum monitor, as you're seeing video clips and game trailers, and it's great with the Ambiglow light system behind it. So it has an ultra clear 4K UHD panel, and I said the resolution is 3840 by 2160. It has smart image game mode optimized for gamers, so you can change the options you want to choose from. We'll definitely be looking at all of these during the review. It also offers a low input lag, reduces time delay between devices to monitor. Again, that's really great for gaming, especially online gaming, especially RPG games as well, such as Call of Duty, Modern Warfare, and also Fortnite. So different options there available to you. One great thing when it comes to accessibility here is the flicker-free technology. So if you suffer from flickering monitor, this alternates the lighting pattern that this monitor uses. It offers flicker-free technology. It has the Ambiglow intensive entertainment with a halo of light, and as you can see from the images, it looks really great as well, subtly changing depending what you'll do, and we'll jump into that again a lot further during the review. Now it has an enhanced audio experience with DTS sound. It does sound really impressive. All the audio you're hearing is direct from the speakers, and it is really loud. So currently I think it was set around 75 on the level of intensity the sound, which is great. Really impressed to see that. It has the Smart Image HDR, which gives optimal viewing from your HDR content. Again, great for when it comes to gaming. Next generation console gaming offers HDR. This monitor will deliver that to you, and it's exciting to see. As you saw as I first unboxed it, it has an ergonomic design, offering you the ability to tilt, swivel, and height adjustment for the ideal viewing angle wherever you're going to sit and enjoy your gaming experience, or you may be standing. So there's some of the key highlighting factors of this Philips Momentum monitor. The link will be in the description. As I said, this has been the unboxing and first look at the Philips LCD monitor with Ambiglow. It's known as their Momentum series, and it's really great to take a look at this. The model number is 278M1R. The link will be in the description. Thanks always for watching, and for me, Ricky, stay safe, stay well. If you haven't yet already, make sure you hit subscribe to stay updated with all of my latest videos. For me, Ricky, bye for now.